कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरतिसे नमः। जय रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुना श्री जीव गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुना। एछाय गोसाई करी चरण बंधन जाओ इति विघ्ननाश अभीष्ट पुराण। महाभाव स्वरूपतं कृष्ण प्रिया भूयसी प्रेम भक्ति प्रदेवी राधिकेतां नमाम्यहम्। राधे वृंदावनाधीशे करुणामृतवाहिनी कृपया निजपदाब्ज दास्यं मह्यं प्रदीयताम्। वन्दे नन्दव्रजश्रीणां पादर्णुमभीष्णश जसान्वरी कथोद्गीतं पुनाति भुवनत्रयम्। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। बोलो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। बोलो श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, सर्व संतन भक्तन की जय, नवद्वीप धाम की जय, धामवासी भक्त वृंद की जय, जय धामेश्वर महाप्रभु की जय, सबरीकर महाप्रभु की जय, अनंत अनंत वैष्णव वृंद की जय, श्रीधाम परिक्रमा की जय, परिक्रमाकारी भक्त वृंद की जय। गौतमानंदे Now, any bhakta and devotee has any question, they are asking, and after the class is starting.
So we hear that Mahamantra is one pointed for Radha and Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. But at the same time, it said Yagya Sankirtana Priya, that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is worshipped by Mahamantra. So how is it possible to worship Mahaprabhu by Radha Krishna Mantra?
Now, question is here, Hare Krishna, this mantra's meaning is the Jiva Goswami Prabhu and Rupa Goswami Prabhu and Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhaktisha Pandit, Gopal Goswami, Jnanendra Goswami, other Gaudiya Rupanga, Guru Varga, they are explaining Hare Krishna meaning Radha Krishna, Hare Ram meaning Radha Raman Ram. Now is question how this is possible, this mantra it is worshipping Mahaprabhu. And this is Mahaprabhu giving. And this is Mahaprabhu's gift and Kali Yuga. This Mahamantra which is only worshipping. Any other things not possible is offering. The Mahamantra is helpful and Mahaprabhu mantra giving everything. So now this is Mahaprabhu for using. This is now question. But Swarupadamodar Prabhu is saying Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikritir Alladini Shakti Rasmat Ekatmanopi Bhuvipura Dehavedam Gatutu Chaitanya Akhya Prakaram Adhuna Tadjayan Se Sakyamaptam Radha Bhava Jyotisubalitam Naumi Krishna Swarupakam. This Radha Krishna Dwapar Yuga, they are separate two, Swarup Shakti and Parabrahma. But Kali Yuga, no, both are different. Both are is one, same. Radhika Bhava Madhuri Asa Dhanushukar Jab Prakat Chaitanya Kali Yuga Brajaraj. Brajaraj is Nandanandan Krishna. In Kali Yuga, Radharani is Bhava and Madhuri. moon and beauties. Everything which is combined is king. His name is Krishna Chaitanya. But this is after sannyas. But first is his name Gauranga. Gauri Anga, then Gauranga. Outside is Gauris, all beauties. Inside Yantar Krishna, Bahir Gaura, Dasitanga Divaibhavam, Kalo Sankirtana Pravi, Jayanti Sumudasa. In Kali Yuga, all Pandit, Acharya, Guru Varga, everybody worshipping Mahaprabhu. How? Inside is Krishna, outside is Gaur. Both are is same time this Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Not different, not others. Then you chanting Harinam, then Hare Krishna. What you are thinking? Hare Krishna means? Hare means Hara Bharati Prasam Mana. Anybody stealing in Krishna and keeping Krishna on nearby, their name is Hara, Hare, addressing. So this Hare Krishna, one side Srimati Radharani and Radharani's beauties are stealing, and inside Krishna himself, therefore he is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu own holy name, own everything, he is giving, ego. But you are not understanding, and this Mahamantra which is not worshipping Mahaprabhu, this Kali Yuga, another thing is not helpful. Yajna, ya Dhyan, ya Archan, not perfect, only Harinam. They are saying in Upanishad, a Shastra, only in Kali Yuga, Keval, Harinama, Harinama, Harinama Eva Kevalam. Not saying Hare Krishna Nam. Krishnama, Krishnama, Krishnama Eva Kevalam. Not telling Harinama, Harinama, Harinama Eva Kevalam. Kalor, Nasteva, 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 Gotirannatha. There are no giving announcement, any proper instruction. Ki Kali Yuga Krishna me chanting. Krishna for Drapad Yuga Archan. And Treta Yuga Yajna, Ramachandra, Upasana. Krishna Upasana, Archan Puja. And Treta Yuga, Dhyan Dharana. But Kali Yuga, only Nam Sankirtana. But this Hare Nam. Only Hare means everybody know. This is not Harinam. Harinam, 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 Kevalam, not telling. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama Eva Kevalam. So this Hare Nama, Radharani's name, Radharani's name, Radharani's name. Only Kali Yuga helpful for everybody. Swarup Shakti giving shelter. Otherwise, Jiva is Shaktihin, powerless. They have no strength. They have no energy. They have no power. They are very weak. Kali Maharaj, everywhere to acquiring and arresting everybody. They have no common sense. Who are doing? No general knowledge. What they do. But Harinam, no. Harinam, Swarup Shakti is near you to center. So who is giving this moon? Only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. Another person giving? Krishna giving? Any Ram giving? Mahaprabhu himself come, this mood is giving. And he is helping. Therefore, this is not my lordship, not my purport. Shastra, like saying Guru Varga, saying clever person, they are very brilliant. They looking and checking how to come in this Swarup Shakti mastery. Who is Swarup Shakti? And therefore, this Kali Yuga, they have only this Harinam. But that Hare What is giving advice? You chanting, worshipping, serving under guidance of Pradevis, Manjaris, my beloved Gopinath, Gopi Gopinath, Gopi Gopijana Vallabh. You are worshipping, you serving, then you getting its benefit. Otherwise, not to shelter in Surya cannot crossing in Maya. And not above of Maya, not going, then no understanding anything. Then is lost everything. Therefore, in Kali Yuga, this Harinam Sankirtanam Mahaprabhu giving advice. First is Sri Krishna Saranam Mama, no. Om Namah Bhagavate Vasudevaya, no. Only Harinam. First Hare Krishna, then Hare Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, then Hare Hare. First Hare, last Hare. This is like kill. Boundaries, this side to that side, complete, fixed. After Hare Rama, Rama Rama, then Hare Hare. First Hare, then last Hare Hare. Not one, two. Why? Chanting time, devotees are not thinking, no understanding, then never realization comes. The Ashtakaliya Lila, Ashram Sadhan, Bhajan Daisha side, Gurupada Dhamma, writing everything. Therefore, this Harinam, this Kali Yuga, only Mahaprabhu's very special gift. And this Harinam, the chanting, Mahaprabhu is called worshipping and his pleasures for everything you are doing. Then you are getting all things, everything. No more problem coming. But you are not appointed. I am chanting Harinam for whom? Who is my Ishta? Who is my everything? You don't know, then you are not understand anything. Therefore, first is this relationship. This is called Sambandha Gyan. That Sambandha Gyan, your knowledge you have, then Sat, Chit, Ananda, Kriya Shaktis or essences coming nearby. Then never problem. Never problem coming. And then Gaurvari, all Maha Sankirtan, all Leelavitis, getting your relationship. Next, any question? Anybody have other question? No. Nobody has.
Hare Krishna.
What happened?
Shastra is saying that Harinam should be given to the people that have no faith. How Christians they can understand that the person has no faith?
Nam Sankirtanam is how can chanting? You know, Valmiki, his previous life and same life also is one cheater and dacoit. Yes, everybody is disturbing. Now this is telling you chanting God holy name, but not possible for us. Therefore, Kali Yuga, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave me advice. You worshipping Tulasi, Ganga, Ekadashi, and Vaishnavas, and Holy Dham. Therefore, Guru Varga calling, inviting everybody Holy Dham. The Dham is starting. Yesterday I also told Nityananda Prabhu is merciful, like his left Guru bringing and giving, orphan and ignorance people. Then jivas are all ignorance. They are sitting left, sleeping, staying, and they are eating, vomiting, passing, no problem. Nityananda purify, and after Nityananda giving the strength. Also, Vaishnavas very kind. They are helping. Next is who helping? Ganga. And Ganga Devi, and after who helping? Tulasi Devi. Charanamrita, Bhaktapada Dhuli আর Bhaktapada জল, Bhakta-Bhukta 3 সাধনের বল. Bhaktas feed us, Bhaktas feed wash water, and Bhaktas remanence. This is very helpful for everybody. First the jiva, how it is Sukriti, therefore is necessary, and there how can become faith. They will be strong, therefore necessary, helping. First, any jivas near going, they cannot chanting Harinam, giving Mahaprasadam, Mahabhagavat, Guru Vargas, and Charanamrita, and Tulasi, then jiva automatic strength is coming, power is coming. Harinam, automatic chanting. उल्टा जपत उल्टा नाम जपत जग जाना वाल्मीकि भय ब्रह्म समाना. Yes, how can chanting Harinam? We don't know. Now this say to chanting Harinam, he said I don't know. He is speaking a lot of like Western country. One time Swami Maharaj is telling one old lady, please you chanting Hare Krishna. I can't chant. Hare Krishna. I can't chant. Hare Krishna. Never I can chant. She is saying I can chant, but Hare Krishna not chanting. After he say yes, no. This person taking yes. Then giving Gulab Jamun Rasgulla. She is eating very happy. After giving one glass lassi, yogurt lassi. She is drinking and saying you are happy? Yes. Everybody coming? Yes. Then you chanting Hare Krishna? Hare Krishna. भूखा भजन नहीं है गोपाला, ले ले तेरा कंठिया माला. First, this body is for something is giving. Mahaprasade Govindi, Nam Brahmani Vaishnavi, Salpakunda Vatangajan, Vishwasam Noiva Jayate. Never can get faith, ordinary people. Mahaprasad, Govinda and Vaishnava. No faith, Harinam for no faith. Then what doing? Necessary treatment. This treatment for Mahaprasad, Charanamrita, and then Adharamrita, Tulasi, Tirtha, then he was automatic changing. Therefore, this Mahaprabhu spoke for all everywhere to begging door to door food and bringing, collecting, and after big program, huge million people is eating. There is going house, never can forget this. Then sadhus are going to worshiping this. Then sadhu's heart melting and automatic there is flow is going. Suddha Sattva Vishayatma, then people automatic changing. Otherwise not possible. Any other question?
Our progress in Bhakti, we should develop relationship with Vaishnava to ask him relevant questions and listen to his answer. But we cannot.
11 questions.
Relevant.
Ask Vaishnava relevant questions.
This question, why he cannot ask?
But why husband cannot ask?
This is nothing. What is force and disease?
He's feeling he cannot approach the Vaishnavas and ask relevant questions. Some lacking in himself to approach the Vaishnavas and ask relevant questions. The Shastra is saying, ask relevant questions.
How to do this? How
okay.
How to learn to do it?
Anybody has lot of anartha, they will be afraid to the Vaishnavas. They are not coming nearby. House and this owl and the snake and then bed box Mosquito, rat, they are all time hiding dark places, deep places. They cannot come out. Why? They are shy? No shy. They have problems. What problems? They are doing wrong all time. They are cheated. They are drinking, soaking blood, any others. Therefore they cannot come out. Not face to face talking. Gurudev, many times saying, Gurudev sitting here like sick, devotee, not coming front of. Not coming is near. Oh, that side to running, this side to running, never coming nearby. Gurudev said, why not coming my near? Why going your near? Why they not coming my near? He said, yes, I am understand now. ताल में कुछ काला है, अंदर में कुछ है, तुम्हारे अंदर कुछ रखा हुआ है, इसलिए तू हमारे पास नहीं आता. Meaning your heart has some dark and very dirty things. Therefore you be afraid. Who will take out everything and cleaning me? Then how can I am doing wrong business? Therefore cannot coming out in front of Gurudev. Owl summarizing, then hiding. Why? Very bad business. His night time going, any birds, babies, sleeping, then they are attracting and eating. All time, bad nature. Flying around their night time. Jeep, Dakai. Jeep and Dakai, how can come in front of? They have no strength. I am not abusing. I am not saying direct operation not doing. I am saying honor to anybody else, false ego, false pride, and then sinful, bad activities first. And now also desire, they cannot possibly change and coming, Mahaprabhu's near, Guru Bhargava's near, direct attitude, face to face, talking and serving. But it's not so, how can going, therefore it's praying Guru Bhargava, then quickly they getting relief. No more problem. But this is weakness. This weakness, Naimatma, Balahina no spiritual strength, then cannot they realizing everything. No strength that cannot come in front of. There are necessary some strength. Where to get in this strength? Go. Mahabharata Vishwanath, no will be shy. Serving them, following them. Their order following, then soon you get in his strength. No problem coming. Okay? And next. Tell me.
He's saying there's some against, saying we have no regard for any other opinion. She's asking what are these other opinions that it's rejected by Gaudiya Vaishnavas. He's cheating like Amol Puran, Bhagavatam, Krishna and Braj Gopis, they're highest. We have no regard for other opinions. She's asking what are these other cheating opinions that the Vaishnavas reject.
Vishnu Guru writing, Arajya Bhagavan Vaishu Tanayo Tadhama Vrindavanam Rahima Kathi Vasana Brajavadu Vargena Jaha Kalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam Prema Pumantu Mahan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matvedam Tatradaro Naparo. This is writing and still this means Srimad Bhagavat, how is Amal Puran, what is giving evidence, and Jivaspar, how is helpful, that is telling. Srimad Bhagavatam first verse, second verse is telling, Dharma Prachito Koitavo Atra Parmo Nirmasaranam Satam Vedam Vastavam Atra Vastu Shivadam Tapatraya Umulanam. Srimad Bhagavate Mahamuni Krite Kimba Paralishvara Sajja Rityavarudate Kritimi Sususumi Sarkhanan. What saying? Srimad Bhagavatam first Vyasadeva is telling dharma pradito. I am before 4 Vedas, Upanishad, Ramayana, and many other Puran, Itihas, everything I am writing and distributing. But this is I am cheating like jivas. I am giving mundane things, dharma, artha, kam and moksha. What is the meaning of dharma? Parent service, social service, working, medicine, body for body service, mind service. Not I am telling direct soul service. Not telling pure soul service. For also, how can they crossing in Maya? They going is Jogmaya, Soul Shakti is near. I cannot give you direct any instruction. I am telling many things. First dharma following, after Samaj dharma, Loka dharma, Mano dharma, Deha dharma, many types of dharma. But this is bogus. This is little temporary, not permanent. And also, this is not helpful for soul. Everything is useless. But I am giving instruction. Varnasramo Acharavato Purusena Parapuman Vishnu Aradhyate Manta Naino Tattva Sakaranam. You helping your children, parents and your family, and this is following, then God will be happy. Mahaprabhu say, you bite you. Just become useless. Don't follow this. What following? Mahaprabhu one by, everything rejecting. Chakravarti Thakur therefore saying, Arajya Bhagavan Rasutanayo. Where said, other Shastras not writing like, this telling Vishnu is God, Sun is God, Moon is God, and after many demigods, and many Varaha, Kalki, and everybody God, and Vaman, everybody Vaman the God, 24 incarnations, everybody God. But not direct telling who is superior and who is everything, and he not telling. Then Jiva is disturbed, which you going, what following, what is the meaning of Sanatana Dharma, soul, this ruling question, you don't know. He not explaining directly. Then he summary, Narada Sikhi, Nam saying, oh, who is God? And others, his incarnations. You not explain directly. Then you cheating Jiva. Jiva is now suffering. You therefore suffering. Then he is, now this advice with you, he is memorizing, remembering, thinking, praying. Then his heart is appears, his brother will die. Oh, Etijansa Balapumsa, Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Indradi Vakulam Lokam, Medayanti Juge Juge. Krishna is God himself, superior, and other all is his incarnations. Not honor is Godhead. After his now Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, Brajalila, watching. There are no dharma, artha, kam, moksha. Only Parampara Pancha Purushartha, Krishna prem, Bhagavad prem, God love for all process. That God love for how Jiva going and getting this chance, therefore all processes there is writing and is realizing. After he is writing everything and explaining, then he is feeling very happiness. So Arajya Bhagavan Brajistanayo, no Krishna himself, Nandanandan, Brajindanandan, Gopendranandan, Jasdanandan, Gopal, Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan, Radhakanta, Radhavallabh, he is all in all. Brajistanayo. No Devaki Nandan. They are saying, Jayati Jaranivasu, Devaki Janmavado. He is not Devaki's son. This is only Prabhat, only so-called. Devaki is near his affairs, only inside vision, he is not Devaki's son. He is, who are he? Jodhukara Parishad, so Dharmirasa Nadharmam. Siratara Vidinadra Susmita Sukhena, Prajapura Vantanam, Vardhayana Kama Devam. Only Brajinandan and Brajaraj, Gopijana Vallabh, he is only Lord himself and God himself and everything himself. Other, everybody is his incarnation. No, all, everything. Then he is writing, Aradhya Bhagavan Vajasutame. He is my one servant, all in all. He is never cheating in jivas, never giving any bribe, no giving government Artha and Kamukha, no giving Dwarka, sending Mathura. Brajavasi never going Mathura and Dwarka, never meeting with any others. They are only beloved. Krishna with his relation and Krishna with them Brajavasi, then good. Krishna left in Brajabhumi, then no, they are not left Brajabhumi. Ekanti Najasya Pantanartam, Jevai Bhagat Prabhanna, Adhut Bhutam Tatcharitram, Gayam Ananda Samudra Magna, or Brajavijayar, all time chanting this holy name of Gopal Govinda, not chanting Vasudevaya, Krishnaya, Govindaya, Gopijana Vallabhaya, no, only they are appointed. They are all time this Gopijana Vallabh, Gopinath, Krishna with relation. Therefore, Aradhya Bhagavan, Brajasutame. Sadham, Vrindavan, not Dwarka, no Mathura, no Kurukshetra, only Vrindavan. This is bhajan for Ananya. Ananya Sintantaman, Jedana Purjivasati. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna giving instruction. Ananya, who is Ananya? Nobody Ananya, no appointed. They are divided. There is running heaven there. Sometimes Allahabad, sometimes Varanasi, sometimes Gangasagar, sometimes other Holidam, but Brajavasis never going anywhere. Where only the Saddham of Vrindavanam, no more. Without Vrindavan, Brajavasi never gone out, never come out. Krishna inviting, addressing, requesting, praying, then Brajavasi are sometimes welcome Kurukshetra, but they no like. But they are Brajabhumi or circle is there. Or Brajavasi without, they cannot eating anybody's one big drop of water. Not looking, not meeting, not talking, no addressing, no relation with anybody. Brajavasi is very strong. Therefore saying Krishna, Ananya Sintantamang, Jedana Purjuvasate, Tesang Nikta Viluktanam, Yogkyama Bharmaham. Otherwise saying, Dadati Buddhi Yogam, Tangjana Mahupayankite. Who is Krishna? And how will Ananya? Therefore Krishna giving advice order. Only Brajavasi are Ananya, other person not Ananya. That is first. Khichori. Therefore, Chakravarti Thakur saying, hey, Aradhya Bhagavan Brajasutame. First, number one. Second, Sadhama Vrindavanam. Vrindavanam Navadidhamam, non-difference. But they are not going any other places. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, Gambhira, that too is teaching everybody 18 years is Brajaprem. Therefore, sometimes they are learning for something, but permanently none cannot stay in a devotee bhakta. They are Navadidham, Gupta Vrindavan, otherwise real Vrindavan, not going any other places, no meeting. Saddhama Vrindavanam, Brahma Kachi Upasana. How can I worshiping him? How can I learning? Therefore, Brahma. Who is Brahma? Kachi Upasana, Brajavadu Vargena Jakalpita. Brajavijayar, how serving him? How following his footsteps? Their name is Gopi, Gopa. Very hidden, very secret. They are not showing anybody what I am doing, what my nature, what is next program, how can I meet with him. Nobody is telling. Nobody is with his no relation. Oti Sutanaya Bhatri Bandhavan, Oti Vilingate Annachutagata, Sadhana Bhajya Patanjaya Itva, Vijay Mukunda Padam Sudrinikyam. They cannot tell anybody. Husband, children, brothers, nephew, niece, mother, grandmother, any other telling? Never. Other one Gopi, another Gopi saying no. Any Manjari is saying never. Not telling them. Direct appointed. They are Upasana, Aradhana. This is right. Perfect. You first, Chakravarti Thakur this verses. meaning with understanding, at the time bhakti's line will be very clean. And what say? After Brahma Kajik Upasana, Padabhu Vargena Kalpita, Srimad Bhagavatam, Pramanam Amalom. No any other Puran, Sattvik Puran, Rajasic Puran, Tamasic Puran, any other Shastra, and no need. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matamidam, Tatra Daro no Paro. This is Mahaprabhu's order. No going any other Shastra. No reading, no hearing, not looking, not checking. Also, there is Sukadeva Goswami saying, it's 9 Canto until I am speaking. This is not real. This is Bhajwar Vibhuti, not to Paramartha. Not this everything. After 10 Canto, this is the Lila. Also, second part, Darka Lila, no, only Bhajwar Lila. Ras Panchadhyay, Venu Git, Jugal Git, Brahma Git, Ras Git, Gopi Git. 5 Pran, Pancha Pran. This is everything. Mahaprabhu, this is here. And Gaudiya Vaishnava, this is following. Therefore, they cannot lose anything. They are not hospitals. They are not chanting. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, not chanting. Krishna Govinda Hare Murare, Enata Narayana Vasudeva, never chanting. Govinda Gopalam Kunda Sore, Sri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare, hospitals no. Appointed Gopijana Vallabhaya. But no more chanting. Otherwise, Mahaprabhu saying Hare Krishna. Just first time I am trying to explaining, but explaining meaning big shastra, meaning purport. But how much I am telling? You are chanting, then realization coming. But we are going to honor simple, then otherwise impossible. Chakravarti Thakur, our Rasik Acharya after Rupa Goswami. And Gurudev following all time this Vishwanath Thakur, everything. Therefore, you are Gurudev Niya is playing that all meanings, Gurudev Guru Maharaj giving your heart, never problem comes. Next, any question?
शरणागति আমাদের করতে হবে কিন্তু শরণাগতি বৈষ্ণব বলতে সেটা ভক্তি নয় এটা ভক্তির দরজা ভক্তিতে প্রবেশ করার জন্য ভক্তিনাথ ঠাকুর যে গান লিখেছেন শরণাগতির কত উচ্চ ভাব আছে ওদের মধ্যে তারপরে যারা ভক্তি করছে না যারা শুরু করছে এই সব ভক্তি করে অনুভব করছে
अनुकूल्यस्य संकल्प प्रतिकूल्यस्य विवर्जनम रक्षस्यति विश्वासे भक्तिते वर्णम तथा आत्मनिक्षेपे कार्पण्ये सर्वविदा शरणागति. You know these verses? Bhaktivinoda Thakur is शरणागति and कल्याण कल्पतरु जामुन भावली सिद्ध प्रणाली many things is writing. But शरणागति, you know, where I took shelter, whose near I am going. शरणागति means shelter. Understand you know? Who's near going? Trees near, creeper near, dog near, buffaloes near. Shranagati means, Sharan, I'm taking anybody near is going. They giving me shelter, possible, endurance, power, and capacity. Then they, thousand people, million people, they give me shelter. You and I, one ladies, one gents, yeah, one baby, one cow, animal. I am not give shelter, not like I am disturbed. I am suffering. Oh, headache, tension, hey, throwing, everything around me. Why? I have no power. Therefore, saying, Shranagati means Anukulyasya Sankalpa Pratikulyasya Vivarjanam. Any bhakti favorable things I am accepting, unfavorable things I am rejecting, but not possible. I have no strength. I am took shelter. Any Mahabhagavat Guru Varga's near, their power is coming, then possible favorable things I am taking, unfavorable things I am rejecting. Now impossible myself. Why? I have no strength. Therefore, Saranagati Bhakti is not only two types of Saranagati. One Saranagati, Vaidhi Marga, one Raganuga Marga. This Raganuga Marga, Brahmadevi's lotus feet you took shelter, you following and remembering, they never kicking and rejecting anybody's. Giriraj Govardhaniya took shelter, Giriraj Govardhan never kicking. Krishna collecting all Brajavasis. Hey, come with me. Where? Govardhan Giriraj here. Go Vardhaniti Govardhano. Go Gopi Ananda Vardhano. Gopal Ananda Vardhano. And Gavis Ananda Vardhano. Brajavasis Ananda Vardhana. His name Giriraj Govardhan. Now, for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, Giriraj Govardhan Sila giving Raghunath Goswami. You are sitting. Every day giving 8 tulsi manjari and chandan and water. Now, I am here present, but whose near I took shelter? Guru Padma near you gone, Guru Padma sending you and offering you Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Gaur Nityananda's near. Yes, I know like Gaur Nityananda. I like Gaur Gadadhar. So my choice, okay, you are sitting Gaur Gadadhar. Say no. Someday after I am hearing Gaur Gadadhar not is enough. I like it Radha Krishna. Sometimes say no. I like only Radharani Lalita Vishaka Manjari is there. But why you took shelter then? Who is you everything? First you going Mahabhava Guru Bhagavad near ask. And how asking? Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevayaha upedakshanti tegyanam gyanina tattadashina. By challenge, by hook and crook, by cheat, by order, by force, and going and telling, hey, you give me answer. Nothing happening, nothing coming. Realization not coming, not going inside, not touching heart, not heart filters. Tad vidhi when, pariprasnena when, sevaya. First you serving, like Narottama Goswami, Raghunath Goswami, continuously, and not only toilet cleaning, his desire fulfilling for his able and ready, then his heart is melting, everything is giving. Then Pariprasna and Tadvidhi Pranipad, then Pranam offering for heart is then will be able. Now, cannot I am offering pranam, showing Dandavat pranam, Hare Krishna, Prabhu, Dandavat pranam. But really, I cannot offer myself. Then how can they give it? I have to respect and take. Who have to come in this stage? Therefore, Saranagati, two types of. One, Laukiki Shraddha, Laukiki, Vaidiki Bapi, Jatriya, Kriyate Muni, Hari Sivanukullai, Sakarja Bhakti Nipsata. Bhakti definition is giving Rupa Goswami. You have Laukiki Bhakti, ordinary. You not understand anything, but you are offering pranam by respect, hate. Then they are near to coming everything. Okay, after you understanding what is pure Saranagati, where I am going, whose near I am to shelter. One side, another side saying, Vaidiki Bapi, Shastra says, go Vaishnava's near, go Guru's near, go Dham, and there is giving you everything. But I can't go in. I know like, Tui Vaishnava, Mui Vaishnava, Har Vaishnava, Hare, Tin Vaishnava, Thakte Abar Katal Kabe Kore. I am one Vaishnava, my wife another Vaishnava, my children another Vaishnava. Three Vaishnava is enough. I know like any other. I cannot serve, I cannot follow, not respect any others. So this is not the Vaishnavism. Vaishnavism is big or God family. But I have no respect and faith for anybody. All are doubt. Hey, he is not Vaishnava, he is not Vaishnava, he is not Vaishnava. He is false, he is wrong, he is ego, this, that. That I am what collecting? Sweeper, eagle, crow, tall nature, only lower nature, and then you are going Swarnagati means which near you put shelter, you first is thinking. Yes, Vajimarga Acharya, then Vajimarga, all still coming. These are coming, help coming. Is Raganuga Marga, then there too, that help coming. Otherwise, I am thinking, I am going 1 year and one is giving me, 3 is giving me, and any other is giving me, impossible. First, this is very God near, God giving me instruction, inspiration, which near I am going, where I am to shelter, who is my spiritual master, who is my everything. How can I am understanding my Guru Maharaj and Guru Varga, who is near and dearest, and all. Then God is very kind. He is very soft. He is একবার দেখলে চোখে জল গোর বলে নিতাই দিলেন সকল সম্বল শ্রদ্ধাবান জন হে শ্রদ্ধাবান জন only but you praying little bit God near Mr. merciful Mahaprabhu very merciful. He is giving me everything. Then Swarnagati, this Swarnagati first time bhakti is your entrance, and after bonafide divine master near to shelter, then you are getting relationship, Sambandha Gyan, and then God family duties, Sambandha relation, everything there to flow is coming. They are calling, pulling, bringing nearby, and teaching, helping, everything. Then no problem. So Swarnagati not one time. Therefore, Shastra saying. Next, any question?
One question about serving the Vaishnava. Is any qualification about serving the Vaishnava? Because we talk about a lot about serving the Vaishnava. Do you need to be qualified to serve a Vaishnava like properly?
Vaishnava I am serving, that is God to remember, God presides for serving. Not their personal service. Personal service for I have desire, then is problem coming. God families, Guru's families, therefore I am serving. My Guru Maharaj happiness for, God happiness for, realization for, not personal. Personal service is not good. Vaishnava near service means continuously Harinam Sankirtanam, Harikatha, and Hari Seva for desire, then is Vaishnava Seva. Otherwise, only cloth and food and laws and medicine and diet and messaging, oil, and after saying this is Vaishnava Seva, this is physical your body servant. Soul service, Vaishnava service, God service. How can soul will be strong and Shravan Kirtan Gane Hare Sinchan, Tabe Mulla Tabari Jai Golok Vrindavan, watering all time this Shravan Kirtan. How is Vaishnava, how can understanding? Any Vaishnava coming, Bhakta coming, there only will be duty and these 9 names of bhakti, rule regulations following. Without that things, there this and that running and Pandra Pista and thumbs up and drinks and after Pakoda, Halwa, Malpua and cake and everything is arranging, big feast and program. That Goswami, my Guru Varga, they are only body maintenance for giving little bit things, not this enjoy for anything for, they are not greedy. Giving God offering for Bhoga, everything, but they are taking only little bit and more time giving Harikatha, Hari Seva, Harinam, Hari Kirtan, therefore. Otherwise, this body service is not Vaishnava service. And this is not it, everything. Mind service also not everything. The soul service for helping, this is real seva. Next.
Sri Murti Shradaya Sevan, and the 5 primary. Why in Kali Yuga is Murti Seva considered one of the 5 primary?
Das Goswami saying, relation for Dadati Pratiginnati necessary. Guyamakati Brichati Bhukti Gurudeva Shalvida Prijalakkhanam. So then he is saying, Akya Ijja Noti Suti Sankirtan, a Panchamrite Seva Govardhan. Not water, no ghee, no honey, no sugar, no yogurt and milk. Akya Ijja Noti Sruti Sankirtan. Panchamrite Seva Govardhan. This is teaching us. Then you following them. Then this is proper. Sadhusanga Mudrabas, Sadhusanga Namkirtan, Sadhusanga Simurti Sevan, Sadhusanga Bhagavatam. Common to all Sadhusanga. Otherwise, you are arranging million-liter milk and honey and ghee, sugar, water and Panchamrita. No, this is not everything. This is external. And eternal Akhyaja Notisuti Sankirtan. This Panchamrita Seva Govardhan. Why not reading is Manasikya?
What is that Panchamrita?
Reading today? Go there.
Some people think in Vaidhi Bhakti, Thakurji Seva is only Vaidhi Bhakti, no need so much.
Anybody is love, then they cannot. Nagaramam Nagaramam Srutikaran Riptam Kilakuru Raje Radha Krishna Seva Prochuro Paritarja Vigatanu Sachisunam Nandisara Putisate Guruvaram Mukunda Prishateswara Paramajasramana Numana. Why does Swami writing then? I don't know Dharma and Adharma. I like Seva Radha Krishna's Prochuru Paritarja. Not little, Prochuru. Continuously 24 hours, not less, not only ringing bell and ring and offering bogo and then after coming and sleeping. It's a Prochur Paritarja, 24 hours, non-stop. Then it's called Seva. This is not Bodhima. Advaiva Gunam Dosam Mayadisyan Apishakan Dharman Samstajya Man Bhaje Satyoktam. Krishna saying himself. I give you Shastra many order, many advice. This is right, this is wrong, this is truthful, this is useless. Don't follow this anything. They are not following this everything, breaking all God and bounded. There, by force is serving me. They are by love. Then how can I neglect you? I am accepting that. This is order, not my order. Why not reading Shastra? Okay. Any others?
Acquire more taste in chanting. What should be our proper mood when chanting japa and chanting doing kirtan?
Keep on saying. What question?
What should be the proper mood when chanting Harinam?
আমরা হরিনামের বুদ্ধিকে
এই বেকার করে বলে তো ওদের কথা কাজ নেই তো ওরা হরিনাম করবে না ওদের বলে কোনো লাভ নাই বেকার চুপ থাকো হিট হয়ে যায় না বেশি পাকা হয়ে যায় এই চলে পাকা আরে কীর্তন করবে যখনই হরিনাম সংকীর্তন করবে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে পৌঁছে যাবে শিবের সঙ্গে নেই মহাপুর গম্ভীর যায় মহাপুর কিভাবে কীর্তন করছেন সবসময় সেরকম আবিষ্ট হওয়া দরকার না যেরকম আবেশ সমাবেশ আগে বেশটা হওয়া দরকার তাহলে অনুকূল হবে আবেশ কীর্তন করতে করতে সব সেই সময় সঙ্গে সঙ্গে সেখানে পৌঁছতে হবে কোথায় মহাপুর চরণে মহাপ্রভু কীর্তন নিত্য গীত মেরা নেই আপকা নেই মহাপ্রভু কীর্তন নিত্য গীত বাদিত্য মাদন মানসর সেন প্রমাঞ্চ কম্পাস্তু তরঙ্গ ভাজু বন্দে গুরু শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ তো why not following Gurudev? Gurudev is why are Gurudev? With Mahaprabhu? You following Gurudev, then you looking Mahaprabhu. And Mahaprabhu Kirtan is starting, running, you will be there. And what is the problem for you? Everything is coming, taste and everything coming. But you can do, you cannot going. You running here and there. Where is Bhusha? Where is Chasa? Where is Khasa? So, now,
there's one question about Thakurji worshipping. If the deity is not installed or installed sin, is there any difference?
Shastra's rules is installing deity is good. But if you know Mahabharata, Guru Varga, they dancing, they are by love they giving, then deity is worshipping, then your nearest transfer in love. Like they are making it related and connected. Like canal, river to canal, canal to tail, then to pipe, pipe to, then water is coming is farmhouse. Then it's good. Otherwise, you don't know how much, what is necessary, taking or tailing, too much, then problem, no, then problem. Then Guru is giving deities, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving deities is Giridhar Shila. Lord Krishna Guru worshipping. Govinda Gopinath Madan Mahaprabhu Raghunath was sitting, Gopal Bhatta Goswami Radharaman was sitting. Then this is Shastra Dhruva Goswami. Shruti Smriti Puranavi Pancharatra Vidingina Vajantiki Harabhakti Utpata Reva Kivaram. Shruti Smriti Puran Shastra Dhruva Goswami never breaking. Try to follow. Otherwise, your mind which is following bhakti, anything, this is only utpat. Utpat means coming, siddhi, asiddhi, navaniddhi, will be famous, popular, big acharya, like this and that, many disabled, many temple, many well, but not heart melting. Tadasmasmaram ridam vadedam jadvidyamanoy harinamadevoy na vikre jada vikaro netre jalam gatra ruhe suvarsa. Outside like shaking. Tears is flowing, a romance compo, but nothing happened, heart is rock. Never melting. Heart melting is necessary. How can come in? Therefore, necessary, all Shastras, all Guru Varga's guidance. Installing deities is good, and serving by love. Installing meaning Guru Varga giving this mood. This duty is inside. Then that you are serving, going nearby, that mood coming. Like one bulb, you are powerful, then while it is connected, then you dancing, oh, I have to do it. Power, much power. And only one ordinary bulb no connected, then this bulb is not giving light, not giving heat, not helpful. This connection is necessary. Therefore, Guru Varga connected. It is called installing, Pran Pratishtha. Okay? Now any more question?
In which mood should we perform seva?
Dham seva.
Dham seva, sorry.
Dham seva.
Oh, dance.
Donation.
Guru Maharaj nearby, independent, don't do anything. Praying is near, his inspiration which is anything doing, his desires for this will be perfect and right. Otherwise, independently, many huge people also doing many things, not sukriti, not punya, nothing, they lost life. People also own house, morning to evening working, and companies for service for going, and hard working, but this is not is getting is any benefit. Only they giving some money, respect after a lost life. Serving own children and families, this is also the serving. Same, this holy dham, many people is staying, but they are not appointed. There is very own selfishness for, enjoy for, the time is passing. Working they are too much. Like I am many times is told, many sweeper in Brajadham, they also serving, sweeping. And Narottam Thakur also toilet cleaning, sweeping. The Narottam Thakur getting Loknath Goswami all this pure Brajaprem. And this sweeper, they are money for, chapati for, bhoga for, they cannot serving Brajadham. They are not attached. So anything you doing, only Guru Maharaj desires for. And Guru Maharaj will be happy. Guru Maharaj's instruction and order, they are not doing. Appointed, then result is coming. Guru Padma's love coming. Vaishnava's love coming. Then everything will be right, perfect. But independently, anything is doing, time is lost. We need Sukriti, Yaduskiti, Pap, Yapunno. This is not helpful. Not only Kirtan also, Harinam also, Mantra also. Anything is doing. This is not mind business. Guru Maharaj gives Vyapsatmika Buddhirika Purnandana. Bhosaka Anandasya Buddhaya Apavasayina. Krishna Gita is reading nicely, then understanding. Krishna says Vyapsatmika Buddhi. Your business will be soul for. Your soul for. Not any other purpose. What you call mind for, then you lost everything. Therefore, very seriously, Guru Padma reserves for anything to do. Okay? What? Tell him. You come here when? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving this Harinam, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. But Mahaprabhu before he is doing Sankirtanam, Hare Hare Namo Krishna, Jadavaya Namo, Jadavaya Madhavaya Kesavaya Namo, Gopal Govindaram, Srimad Sudanam, Giridhari Gopinath, Madana Mohan. But after Anga Upanga Prabhasada Sange, Nachai Bhava Murati Gora Range, Gavata Kalijuga Pavar Nam, Brahma is Sanchita Nodiya Dham, Hare Hare Namo Krishna Jadavaya Namo. Mahaprabhu starting this Kirtan program. After Mahaprabhu, all jivas helping for Harinam Sankirtanam. This is giving Nam Brahma Diksha. This is Parabrahma, Nam Brahma. Harinam, God Himself, which is in this world is appears. He is bringing. Is one hand like looking, all time like, and one hand is like. Is this Nam Brahma Harinam Sankirtan? Golokera Premadhana Harinam Sankirtana. This is his bringing and his giving. This is Harinam Sankirtan. This is Braja Lila, Krishna Lila, and Radham to Parabrahma. This is what is bringing. Meanings all Brajadevis, Brajavasis laugh. They are continuous chanting. This holy name of God. How they chanting? That mood, that everything is bringing and taking. Harinam Sankirtan is everything is calling. Other things is not is helpful for us. Therefore be careful, seriously chanting. One mala chanting, Bhakti Thakur say, no talking, not looking, hiding, very secretly, seriously chanting. Then everything will be good. Other question?
One question. He said our heart can be taken away by one Vaishnava or by many. It can be stolen by one Vaishnava or many Vaishnava can steal our heart.
Krishna's family members is big as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Any pure bona fide Vaishnava they are going, he not keeping anybody's phone nearby. Every time offering in, like Rupa Mandir, Rati Mandir, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Sara Goswami, Astakobira, Dada Gopal, Saraswati Mahanta, all Nityananda Rose near. They are not keeping on near anything. Like Ganga water, Krishna's lotus feet to come, and over world to going, and all jivas helping, and make holy place and holy dham. This is holy river. Same in Vaishnava they are going, he is really Vaishnava. He is washing you, cleaning you, purifying you, and offering, and giving God service for attachment and attraction, affection. Then you forget everything. All time this Radha, Govinda, Lila, Rasotis, you will observe and involve. Never possible is coming out and not looking in this world anything. This was really Vaishnava. And then not thinking, I am not respecting this Vaishnava, not possible. All Vaishnava Mahabhagavat, for your respect is coming. You are anything, you giving, but under guidance. Like Gurudev, President, I am giving everything Guru Maharaj giving, distributing. I am independently giving, I don't know. And greedy people, and they are taking my presentation with my heart, soul, and my heart, my body, mind. Then what doing then? Outside showing I am Vaishnava, I am Bhakta, but they are greedy, like dog and eagle and crow. Then I lost. Therefore, Guru Varga saying, you serving Rupa Guna, yeah, Sara Goswami, Guru Varga. Gurudev near is going, Gurudev giving is you good training. Don't be worried. Guru Maharaj present and eternal. He is not gone anywhere. He is present. He is everything looking and watching. Like deities are not telling anything, but deities are everything they know. However, serving him, he is giving all help and mentality and training. Don't be worried. Okay.
Saying Mahaprabhu Patit Pavan, Kapat Pavan. If somebody Vaishnava coming, respecting, but going far and criticizing, is Kapat or not Kapat?
Ignorance people, there is Patit Pavan Nityananda Prabhu helping them too much. Love work for them, like Ramchandra Puri. he is insulting his own Guru Maharaj. After he is insulting Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Damodar Swarup, Damodar Pandit, Mahaprabhu is near, one baby coming, like 8-10 years boy. He is like black color, very nice shine. He is coming every day, Mahaprabhu giving some prasadam, sitting, hearing Harikatha, doing Nam Sankirtan. But Damodar Pandit is not tolerant. He say, oh, hey, don't come Mahaprabhu here. Say Mahaprabhu, you don't like this boy. Don't talk to him. What is problem? I can't understand. Why you are disturbed? One day he is very angry. He said, don't talk to this boy. Why? Why you have love for this boy? What is problem? Oh, his mother is widow. Widow son, you like too much, then people is insulting you, or his mother with relation, therefore you like this song. God himself, Ramchandra himself, that time also people insult but they are ignorant. Therefore God not angry and disturbed. Vaishnava is not angry and disturbed. They know he has no any brain. Therefore Mahaprabhu sending him Navadvip. Okay, you go, Sachimata near, you there will be. And serving Sachimata, then your brain is training and was. Mahaprabhu not keeping nearby, other making offense. Too much more telling. So anybody, nature is insulting, what are you doing? Therefore, why you are disturbed? They are not cheater and cupboard. They are no brain, mad and crazy. Pagal. Bhatta pagal. Therefore, bas, dura tu dandavato. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, bas, mena. Sangha puja pramadashya yogasya param paramaruduch. No sangha, no association. Bas, dura tu dandavato. No more. Hari Bol. Now time is lot of 7 o'clock.
Nityananda Krishna Hare Krishna